In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect timesheets by tempo to Jira time tracking. This process is a great way to enhance your project management capabilities by integrating tools that will help you track time more efficiently and manage your tasks more effectively. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira dashboard, which is where you'll find most of the essential tools and features you use regularly. On the left sidebar of the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on that. It's like opening a gateway to a whole world of enhanced functionality for your Jira setup. Once in the Apps section, you'll notice an option called Explore More Apps. This is the place where you can find various add-ons and integrations that can be seamlessly incorporated into your Jira environment. Click on it to open the marketplace for apps. In the search bar provided, type in Timesheets by Tempo. Tempo offers a range of time management tools, and their Timesheets add-on is specifically designed to work with Jira, allowing you to track time spent on each aspect of your projects accurately. Once you've searched for Timesheets by Tempo, it will appear in the search results. Click on it to view more details about what it offers and how it can enhance your Jira experience. Here, you can learn more about its features and benefits through the description, which is great for understanding what you'll be gaining with this integration. If this is your first time using Timesheets by Tempo, you should see an option to either try it for free or install. Choose the one that best suits your needs. The free trial is a fantastic way to test the waters and see if this tool fits into your workflow. Otherwise, if you're ready to go all in, selecting Install will proceed with setting it up right away. Follow the instructions provided for installation. These might include granting permissions, selecting projects you want to link with the timesheets, or even setting up specific configurations that make the tool tailor-fit to your preferences. The process is straightforward, designed to guide you smoothly from start to finish. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Timesheets by Tempo to your Jira time tracking. By integrating these tools, you'll be able to track time more efficiently, giving you insights into productivity patterns and potentially identifying areas for improvement. This setup can revolutionize how you manage time and tasks within Jira, providing you with the data to make informed decisions on project management. So, make sure to take advantage of this powerful integration and enhance your productivity on future projects. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy time tracking with Jira.